So in this video, we're going to look at creating simple shapes in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9. So first of all, we have our blank document. Now, if you can't get a blank document, all we need to do is either go to File and New, or click on the document here which says New Window. So you can see, there you go, opens up New Window. Now, if I click on this one here, you'll see that it cascades my jobs there like that. I'm going to open that back up like that. Now, if we go to the side panel here, we've got the icon for draw. And we have a couple of options in here. We've got drill hole, alignment mark, and then we've also got this universal placing tool. So that's the one that we want. So I'm going to click on that one. Now you can see, you might just be able to see there is a circle behind my pointer there. So I don't want a circle. So what I'm going to do is right click on my mouse, and then that'll open up our universal placing tool options. And then in here we've got a few options. So at the moment we're on ellipse, so I can make it 100mm by 100mm. I could take it out of sort of aspect ratio and make it 120. I can also change rotation angle if I wanted to. And then I can also create a rectangle, triangle, lines, and reg marks in here. Now the line one is pretty interesting, so we can use this as a cut-off line when we're creating jobs, especially things like the router and stuff, which are always quite good. So if I use that one, press OK, and there's our shape. Now you will just keep, if I keep left clicking, it will just keep adding shapes. So what we'd need to do is to get out of that, we either click our white arrow key here back into normal mode or escape. And there you go. So there's your shapes. Now if I wanted to delete some, I can just highlight by drawing a box over the top of them. Remember, you have to highlight the entire object to select it. And then to zero that, I could either go up to here and go 0, 0, enter, or I can click on the center and I can move it around. It should snap to the bottom. Now if it doesn't snap, we need to go to settings, we need to go to our snap mode and make sure that's on. Now if I wanted multiple of these jobs now, or these shapes, I could go up to here where it says multi-copy, just there, and I can say, right, I'd like a certain amount in one direction, a certain amount in the other. So if I go select objects, like this, sorry, and I go for 10 across and 10 up, and then I can set my distance between them, and I can press OK. There we go. So now that is a full array of those shapes ready to go, with a layer as well, all ready to be produced. And that's how we create shapes in OptiScout 9.